Hey, good morning, folks. It's EDIS. Every day is Saturday, and headed back down to the RV this morning to do a little more work. We started this project with Poli Glow, and I'm extremely happy. It is a little work, but it seems to be what we needed to bring back the shine. So I'm happy to put in the extra hours to get this done. We didn't get a whole lot done yesterday. Had some things going on, but today I'm hoping to get back into the rhythm and take care of the rest of what we've got to do. It's Saturday morning, 8 a.m. and we are still working on the Poli Glow. I've got one side done by myself, but I got some help coming. I got my son, my wife's coming out here to help too. So, but wanted to give you guys another look. I think it looks darn good. I tell you what, I'm very happy with it. I have a couple places I know I need to fix, but I'm probably just gonna wait and come back and get those later and show you guys, see if you can see the difference. The little edge on the right hasn't been done. This part, the main part over the cab has, and wow. So I should have some good before and afters later on. So here's what I'd like to go ahead and get started on and see if we can get it looking nice. And then we still have the back here, or this side, driver's side, to do. So a lot of work for this. All right, so help has arrived. There's my wife working her little fingers to get that clean, and here's David, and he's doing a lot of the sides, and it's looking good so far. Get this puppy cleaned and waxed and ready to go. Let me see your hat. Ooh, love that hat.
Yeah, it's great. My favorite, actually.
All right, I'm going to get Miss Deborah some water. Hey, just another video of where we're at and getting this stuff put on. Crew is hard at work as I'm hopefully helping with some odds and ends. So y'all know my wife Deborah. She's been on several of the videos. And this is, I'd like to introduce my son David.
Hello.
David, what do you think about this stuff?
I mean, the product itself is great. The application is easy.
But tedious.
Yeah. But it's a Saturday morning.
It is a Saturday morning, but you can really see the difference here on the camera. So David was kind enough to come up here and help us today. We're going to try to get as much done as we can before he has to go. I think he's got some dogs that he has to take care of today, so
Yep.
He's going to leave to let them out.
I mean, it is crazy. It's like...
All right, so This is what, probably about 2 hours of work, maybe,
3.
maybe 3, just to getting this clean. But gosh, guys, look at it.
Well, the front and the back,
Yeah,
part of the sides.
yeah, front and back, and then part of the side. So, like I say, look at the. I mean, I'm blown away. What do you think, David? I mean, this is just, to me, it's amazing
Yeah,
what
it
the
looks
stuff
great.
does.
Looks really good.
And I'm gonna walk you around to the back. So I'm gonna say this again. I'm sold on this. This stuff is really, really good. Poli Glow is the name of it.